Okay, what we're going to learn is that original James Brown slide. First, we're going to do the basic of that slide. Then we're going to take you into it even further and deeper and more intense of the next. Okay, so here we go. First move, take that right foot, but not wait on that right foot. Wait on the right foot. And we're pushing off that right foot. Going to our left. Basic slide. Push, slide. One. Push, wait, here on that left. Push, off of it, slide. I'm going to do it a couple more times. Wait, push. Wait, push. You know you do that all the time. And you see that temptation, you just do that, right? You go one, and a one, and a one. Right? Now we're going to add to that. Now, we're going to add a little James Brown to that move. So what we're going to do next is we're still pushing off that right foot. But we're going to put a little wiggle to it. Well, we're using one foot with that wiggle. One foot, right? Okay, let's go. We pushing right here. Now we slide and we wiggle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all I got. 8 is hard to do. We're going to the right. Let's do the same move. We're pushing off the left. Right? Right? So let's go. Slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see that wiggle again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're trying to bring our feet together. It's a cool move. It's great for freestyling. The girls are advancing these guys on the freestyle. So fellas, get this video because you need to catch up. These girls are getting us, man. That's what this game about. We're gonna go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cute move at the end, right? Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right now, we finished those 2 moves. It was cool, James Brown and all that. Now, we're gonna add the hop to it. Beautiful move, yeah. You see I'm getting winded because one thing about James Brown stepping is you will get your workout on. And Coach Wesley's gonna make sure you all are ready for this kind of business right here. So let's go. We're gonna do a hop. We're gonna hop and we slide, slide. Hop, left foot, push up and slide. Same method. We're still pushing off our weight. We're still pushing our weight, right? We're distributing our weight to our left and our right. Okay, again. Yeah, I'm getting tired, so what? Who cares? Oh, you gotta do that hop. Do I got a hop left in me? I think so. Hop and slide. See the James Brown coming up in there? Hop and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Uh-oh, I cheated. That's the next move. You saw that wiggle there? This came out of me. Okay. All right, we're gonna do a couple more. Hop and just basic slide. Hop and slide. Left foot, hop and slide to the right. Again, 2 more. Hop and slide. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop and slide. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Now, we gotta add that wiggle to it, just like we did before. Remember before we didn't add the hop, now we're adding the hop. We get more James Brown up in here. So here we go. Yeah, I don't care if I sound windy. Let's go. Hop. 1, 2, 3. There go that wiggle. 7. Hop again, left foot. Hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put that wiggle in there. Yeah, enjoy yourself. Again. Ooh, that was a hard stomp. I think I hurt my foot. Okay, let's go again. Hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Left foot hop. Slide to the right. 1 in the wiggle. 4, 5. Then check the wiggle. 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Okay, good people. Yeah, those are the first ones. That's that first James Brown. That hop and that slide. Then you add temptations to it. It's a beautiful thing. All about that freestyle. And also understand, fellas, ladies, who's ever lead, you can do that when you lead. You can hop and slide while you lead that person and slide back while you lead that person. It's all about the game. Stepping. Off the 9. I'm off the 9. I don't know where y'all from, but I'm off the 9. One of the places where this dance originated from. Yeah, I'll take pleasure in that. Do I need to fix my scar? Right. Now, what we got to do next is we're going to bring Coach Wesley from Mobile Fitness Professionals. As you see, I need him because I'm winded. So, we bring out Coach Wesley, Mobile Fitness, the other half of the team, the other half of Good for Step Production. He's gonna come out, and we're gonna do these same moves to music. It's a beautiful thing. So you understand, there's a method to the madness. There's a method to the ball method. There's a reason for this, y'all. Come on, get all this game. I'm giving this game away for a little bit of nothing, man. Enjoy. Steppin', OG style.